Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today is Sunday and I want to do our weekly overview of various stocks that we're into and just get a feel for what we could possibly expect for the upcoming week, barring any crazy news or global events or anything like that. So it's just a quick TA on what's going on. So here we have Corbus Pharmaceuticals and its ticker is CRBP. And Corbus Pharmaceuticals has a drug that's in phase 3 trials that I thought was very, very interesting. And so I've zoomed out on here just real quick to give us some perspective before we zoom in on the week. This is the monthly calendar, monthly chart where each candle equals 1 month. So each of these candles is 1 month. And what we see here that I noticed is we actually have what looks to be a double bottom. Double bottoms are a strong bullish sign. So this only further supports our idea that this could possibly be going back into bullish territory. As you see here, the Stoch on the monthly calendar is crossing up, another sign of bullish territory. Here we see that the trend line on the RSI on the monthly has gone from up here all the way down here. And actually, I'm going to say this. This is going to be the trend line for it, because I feel like this broke it, because this right here broke the previous higher high, which tells me that probably some divergence went down, which is true, because look, right here at its highest point, price actually went down. Well, it went up, but then down. So this is a good sign for me. I like zooming out farther so I can see the bigger picture, because believe it or not, price action will move more strongly on the larger candle than the smaller candles. Smaller candles, when I say smaller candles, I mean daily, weekly, and not daily. I mean like hourly, 1 minute, 5 minute, what have you. Those are the little actions that actually make up these big movements. So if RSI is overall returning back into bullish territory, then those smaller candles, although they might fluctuate, that means the overall price action is probably going to go up. So if you're looking for a long-term hold, I would always zoom out. I would use the smaller interval candles to figure out an entry point possibly. That way you're not starting out immediately going in the red. But overall, I look at the monthly candles. And I've been holding this for a while. I've been holding this since back over here. So it's very exciting. Let's look at the hourly. It's going to be wide and big. Oh, it's going to be small. It's so tiny. Where are you, candles? Where are yous? That's how I talk to my dogs. Sorry. Let's see. Come on. There you go. There you go. All right. So as we see here, we had some bullish momentum going up. We stayed along this area of support. We have consolidation right here. And typically you see consolidation, rip, or the inverse. If it was a bearish momentum, consolidation, dip. So this is a good sign. I'm excited by it. This makes me happy. I have a feeling that we are going to break out of this consolidation possibly this week. And then when we break out of 228, let's see here. We'll go horizontal ray. All right, so when we break out of that 228 zone right here, I'm then going to be looking for us to break this previous higher high. And then we know we're going for it. We're making some moves, money moves. And as we can see, when we zoom out or zoom back, this is a continuation of a W with a possible handle, which I'm a fan of. And so I still feel that it's going to continue to rise. So that is my thought on Corbus Pharmaceuticals. Please let me know your thoughts. Actually, on the next video, I'm going to share something I found in the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns that specifically talk about pharmaceutical companies and the effect that FDA approvals have or don't have on those companies when they make their announcements. I find that very interesting and very relatable to all of us waiting for these phase 3 announcements for lebanosome. I probably said it wrong, but you know what I mean. Well, that's it. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Do great things, and let's go make some money.